Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I have got an unboxing and review of a Folio case that I bought for my brand new Google PIXEL3A phone. So if you followed my videos so far, you'd know that I got this only a few days ago, so I had to order a case for it online to just make sure it's nicely protected. Now, there wasn't many cases I could find actually off Amazon. I prefer using Amazon because I get them very quickly, and I found this case which was only like under £10, which was pretty decent. So I thought, well, I can get it some initial protection. If I want to get something fancy later on, then I can look into that. So this was kind of one of the limited number of cases that are available that I could get kind of within a couple of days. So I just thought, well, I like the Folio style cases. I don't really spend a lot on cases, to be honest. Even on my iPhone, I didn't spend a lot on cases. I don't think they're kind of worth spending loads of money on a case. They kind of all do the same thing. So I found this case, so we'll see how it looks. I'll leave a link below if you're interested in this case. So let's get this out. So it is a kind of leather style case with this little magnetic buckle on it, and quite a cool design, nicely stitched. So you can see it's kind of all well stitched, and at the back you've got a camera hole, you've got the sensor for the unlock, and I think that's just for the, what's on the back of this phone? Oh, it's just the logo actually, for the Google logo itself. And inside we've got a card holding slot. So you can also talk with this with it closed because it's got an earpiece there, which is great. And this is also like a TV stand as well. So I'm just going to take this out. And yeah, it looks fairly well built, to be honest. I mean, for the price, it's very good. So let's just stick this in. So if you've been watching my videos, you know this is my first Android phone I've had, and so I've been an Apple man all this time, so I needed to change it up, so watch those videos if you haven't already. So yeah, it seems to do the job, so let's have a look. So the camera seems like it's in line, the sensor seems in line. I'll just see if I can kind of unlock the phone with ease. Yeah, that works absolutely fine as well. That's cool. So yeah, overall it's pretty good, guys. I mean, I said it's only £10 and it seems to be built really well. I think it's going to last. It's got some shock protection on there as well. It's kind of fairly padded. I always find with these phones that they're so thin that you kind of feel like you're not holding anything. So I like something that gives it a little bit of weight and a little bit of feel to it. And obviously it's got edge protection as well, so if you did drop it, it's going to protect the edges, because the phone is actually slightly in by a few millimeters, so it should protect it nicely. Your ports are all available there as well, and yeah, there you go. So this is just a nice quick review. On my next review, I'm actually going to talk about the comparison between this phone actually and my Apple phone and the interface. So if you are interested in that, please like and subscribe and keep your bell notification on, and I'll talk you through the differences between the iPhone and using this and my kind of experience really. Catch you